Right, here we're going to do 4C, this challenge here. It's actually got a super high challenge, so we're going to start with low. Get someone to enter the consonants in a loop and say whether it's a consonant or not. So I'm going to copy the consonants first of all. Go to there, paste it. I can put them on a new line. Yeah, that's me too. You don't need to see all the consonants, do you? I'm going to delete that for now. And then we need to loop forever because we're going to loop continuously, getting them to enter something in. And then it's going to say, is it a consonant? Yes or no. So we can loop while true. This is always true. We're going to get a consonant. And if you don't understand why this loops forever, because while loops loop, whatever you put in here is true. So I could put 7 equals 7 like that as well. That would loop forever. But there is a thing called true. And because this is always true, this will loop forever. So just to demonstrate that, let's go over there, but I'll bring it back. I'll just typing in consonants forever. There we go. So what we need to do is check whether what they type in is inside there. And we have this thing called in. So if con is inside consonants, then we're going to print yes, or consonant, correct, something like that. And then if it's not, we're going to print wrong. Simple as that. So we're going to do Europe, correct. We're going to do RE, wrong. Okay. So that's one way of doing it. There is other ways of doing this, but we'll look at that more in the 2D array section. Sorry, the array section. So, and the 2D array section. So basically, that's one way, and that is this one. Okay, so we've done that. Okay. Now do low, but do not allow repeats. The best way is to remove a consonant from the array. So basically, once they say one, we're going to go to consonants and we're going to remove the one we typed in. So they can only ever type it in once. So I will go through that in a sec. Let's do Asia, easiest to type it again, and it's wrong. So just to show what I'm doing there, I'm going to spread those out. So we get them to type in a consonant. We check if it's in there. If it is, we print correct, but then we remove it from there. So when we type Asia, that will no longer be there. So second time we type it, it's not in there. Okay. So that's that one. Now do medium. Oh, there we go. Now do high one is do medium and then make it finish once they get all the consonants. Length of consonants tells you how many there is. So rather than looping forever now, we'll loop while the length of consonants is greater than 0. So there's still ones they haven't got. And so that will loop until all of them have been removed and then we're done. This is going to take me ages, so I'm going to cheat. Oh, I can do Africa. Oh, North America. South America. Antarctica. Europe. Australia. Okay, I got Europe wrong. And then Europe. And then what else left? I feel like I must have missed one. Africa. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got Antarctica wrong. What did I put? I spelled it wrong probably. So let's just copy and paste it. Correct. And there we go. Finished. Phew. You could also... if you wanted, print a little thing that tells them how many is left. So when they get one right, or every loop, you could go left to find or something, and then it would let you know. After they enter a consonant, it would say, no, that's 7 left to find. I need to put that before then because otherwise it's before we... So we'll put it before they type it in. So it says 7 left to find, enter a consonant, Asia, 6 left to find, and then obviously 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You don't need that. I was just adding in extra bits just to show you how you would do it. Right, so last but not least, okay, the super high one. If they repeat a consonant, then tell them they have already said it. Okay, so basically what we need is 2 of these. So we'll call this consonants backup. Right, so this one is never going to have things removed from it. So if we get one wrong, what we need to do is check if it's in consonants backup, because if it is, then it was a correct consonant, but we've already said it. So if they type something that is in consonants backup, then we're going to print repeat. I'll just put that. Not a great comment. Otherwise, we print wrong. Okay, so remember, let's say they type Europe in. So try and run it through your head. They type blah, 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 blah. Print on your left. They type Europe. So is Europe in continents? Yes. So then we print correct and we remove Europe from continents. Next time around we type Europe. Is it in continents? No. Now we check if it's in continents backup. If it is, you type repeat and then otherwise you print wrong. And because it is, it will type repeat. So if we just repeatedly type Asia, let's move that over. Asia being a nice easy one to type. First one correct, second one repeat. And then I spelled it wrong. And then repeat. So that's the super high one. You'll have to take a backup of it. And then, just do what I just did. Okay, cheers.